Hey, it's Lubber Goober here. We're gonna change some tires with our new tire machine. It's a Coates 80X, which means it's 80 times better than everything else. But we're gonna go ahead and change some tires. All right, first off, we need a tire. I got me one of them. Let's go ahead and change it. All right, now first thing we're gonna do is use this fancy bead breaking thing. That's operated with this handle, so you just pull it out like that, you go in like this, and all you gotta do is lift up real nice like, and it pops the bead. And you hit it again, and you spin it around, and you do it again. And oh, that bead's all popped off now. We come back, we spin it around, we go ahead and put this on this side. We'll do this other side. You gotta be careful not to damage the rim, because you know, customers don't want their rims messed up. And of course, it slips off, because you know, it's not that good. We'll keep doing this till the bead pops and we get the tire off. Now next thing we'll do is we'll take this and put it up on this table like that. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit this foot pedal right here and it's gonna lock in. Look how cool that is, right? All right, now we got this arm, we're gonna swing over. Now we need to readjust this so it's right. So we put that in right there, and then we lock it down. We lock it down. Now, you gotta be careful of them TPMS sensors. Now, as you can see, there ain't one there, because I already broke that one. So we ain't gotta worry about it on this rim. The boss man already bought a new one, it coming tomorrow, so we have to fix that tomorrow. But we'll go ahead and we're going to dismount this tire. So we take our bar, we jab it in there, and we go ahead. I'm going to need two hands for this, because we got to push down a little bit, and then we leverage it up, and look at that. That tire ready to come off. We hit the switch on the floor, and it pops off like that. Next, well, okay, it doesn't pop off. Try to get you an angle in there, and we go like that. And then we lift up, we leverage it out like that. And then we hit that floor switch again. And the tire pops off like that. Real nice like. So there's our rim all ready to go. Now we're not going to do this one because, again, I got to get TPMS tomorrow because I already broke that one. So we're going to go ahead and pop that off. We're going to go ahead and hit the bar down there. We're going to pull that off. We put the bar up so I don't mess that up. We're going to take this off. We're going to take one I prepared earlier with TPMS not broken. So we're going to go ahead and lock it back in. Now normally you don't have to do that because you know you won't be taking it around and out. What we're going to spin it around. Now we got this special tire lube. We're going to take that, we're going to lube it up real good, and then we're going to take our tires. Now these are Toyo tires, a real good tire. We're going to go ahead and lube that bead up. You can never have too much lube. That's at least what my girlfriend says. So go ahead and swap it around. Go ahead and lube it up. Lube it up. All right, we're nice and lubed. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this tire. We're going to go ahead and put it on here. I'm going to go ahead and put it over here by that TPMS sensor. Now, I've heard other people do it different ways, but I do it this way. So, we'll go ahead and spin it around. And there we go. Now we got another bead to put on. What we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and lever that around. If you lubed it up right, you can just spin this tire all the way around and get it almost all the way on. And then you hit the switch and pop that on. Then you take that, swing it around. Now one of the things I didn't talk about is all this fancy stuff. Now these are for your low profile tires. So when you got to push on the side of it to get it seat or to get it on there, you got these. We don't need these, so we're going to leave them alone. Next we're going to do, we're going to take and we're going to put some air to it. We're going to hit that right there. And we're going to see if we can seat this bead real easy like. All right, I'm going to have to put you down because I'm going to need two hands. Sorry. I'll move this camera over the other way so we can get this thing to seat for us. All right. Now this thing's got what's called a bead seater. We get this thing up like this. We hit the button. And we got that bead to seat. Sorry about the compressor running in the background, but you know, air. And wow, just like that, we got a mounted tire. Now the last thing you're going to do is you're going to take your schrader tool and your schrader and you're going to put it in there. Bet that was loud. And you go ahead and crank this sucker down as tight as it will go. Not really. You want to set your pressure where you want it. You put your valve cap back on. You declamp it. Boom! Mounted tire. Hope you like this video. I'm the Lubber Goober. Hope you liked it. Let's have some more bang.